Hello, welcome to Craft by Swati. Today we are going to make cute little birds with the help of cotton. First of all, we will take some cotton, pieces of cotton, and we will make a little ball of cotton. Now we will take another thin piece of cotton and we will cover this small ball of cotton with this piece and we will make a roll like this. Now we will take another thin piece of cotton and we will cover this piece again with the cotton. Repeating the same step, take some other cotton, thin cotton, and cover this ball with cotton like this. Now we need one more piece only and we will cover. You can make layers according to the size of your bird. If you want to make a big bird, take more layers. If you want a little one, 4-5 layers are enough. Okay, now our body of bird is ready. Keep it aside. We'll keep it aside. Now for the face, take another small cotton and make a ball of that cotton like this. Now in the same way, we will take another thin piece of cotton and we will cover this and we will make a roll of this. So this is our little face and this will be body. Now with the help of glue, we will spread some glue on the smaller part and we will paste this on the bigger part. Okay, now after this, with the help of your fingers, we will give shape of tail to the cotton. हम इस cotton पे we will give the shape of tail. This is shape of tail by just rolling from the end like this. Now we will keep it aside and you can take any pink paper. Take any pink sheet and draw the shape of wings on the piece. This is my pink sheet. I am folding the sheet and I am drawing a shape of wing like this. These are shape of wings of the little birds. Now we will cut these two wings. I fold this paper because we need two wings. So after cutting this, I will get two wings of the bird. Now we will paste these two wings, one here and one that side. Put some glue on the cotton and or you can put glue on the paper sheet also. Put it like this. So this is first wing. In the same way, we will paste the second wing another side. Spread some glue. You can spread glue either on the cotton or on the paper like this. So these are the wings of this cute little bird. Now we will paste a little beak of this bird. Take a red sheet and cut it in a triangle shape and just put some glue here in the end and paste it like this. So this will be the beak of the bird. The same way we will cut two small circles of black sheet for the eyes, spreading some glue on that black sheets. This will be the eyes of the bird. This is one eye and the same way another small piece of paper, spread some glue there and paste this eye here. So our cute little chicken, our cute little bird is ready. So if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye. Bye bye.